I'm in love with the decorative stitches that are on the Singer Heavy Duty 4452 sewing machine. Now, you probably know by now that I love decorative stitches and use them a lot in our online courses, such as our Stitching Cosmos online course, where we teach you lots of different techniques like couching and chenille and decorative stitches, sewing on buttons with tassels, even how to use a twin needle with decorative stitches. But we also talk about how to make a stitch book. Now, with this machine having a nice assortment of stitches, if you find some variegated thread, that's always fun to do, and then just start sewing each of the stitches out. I guarantee they're going to look 10 times better sewn out on fabric with some stabilizer than just pictured here on the screen. Now, you just notice that I usually just take and guide the edge of my foot right next to the last row of stitches that I did. And before you know it, you've got all your stitches sewn out. And you can also do it with different widths and different lengths depending on how you choose them. So even here, let's just go ahead. I'm going to just stitch out this stitch. I like to set it at the widest stitch width for starting off. And then that way you have a nice look. But you really get an idea of what this machine is capable of. We have a video below called How to Make the Ultimate Stitch Book. It is one of our free videos in our Stitching Cosmos online course. But we have 10 videos you can watch and see if that course is right for you. It helps you expand your knowledge of your sewing machine, work with additional accessory presser feet that you can purchase for this machine, and of course put these decorative stitches to use in ways you had no idea about. So I hope you'll join us for at least some of those videos. Maybe I will see you in class soon, but don't forget, take some time, sew out those decorative stitches, and realize the potential that this machine has.